haven't seen an avocado tree in your life, this is an avocado tree. Just like that. Just avocados just growing. You could pick it off, put it in a dark place, and eat it, man. Get ripe. Give it a little swirly. Wow. Yeah.
Because we don't want to beat youngsters.
This in Shima looks like it's
Kilimanjaro.
it's got something
the
in
same guy.
No, they are tute. Sean, you've got to try it.
One other from
it.
Dry me and then took.
This is beef. What is
That's
it? T-bone.
The T-bone.
This is T-bone. You said the Shima is just normal Shima.
Yeah.
Impwa, Kalembula,
Yeah.
Katapa, Delene,
Yeah.
chili, fish. Yes, you know the verbs. Let's go in for the Kalembula. That's what I've been looking forward to. Let's go.
I will never.
Yeah.
Never.
It's as good as I remember it.
Yeah.
Maybe even better.
For real. It's going down.
Let's go with some T-bone.
But what about fish?
Oh, I like.
Beauty.
See, this is medium rare. Look at that. You can taste the brine on you.
Yep.
Have you tried the fish?
Okay.
Fish. I already know the fish is gonna be good. The fish is undefeated in Zambia.
You tasted that?
It's undefeated. Kariba brim, Kafua brim, any fucking brim. Anyway, that's it.